Let's see how you do it, man.
It's
Huh?
You got to go down and you find the lock.
Okay.
And then you pull up. As soon as you touch it. It's all the way down the side.
Huh?
If not, I'll just go and touch the unlock button. If it's finicky. Sometimes it is.
How long have you been doing it?
20 years.
Oh shit, that's a lot of experience.
Oh yeah. You always bring both tools.
Huh?
You always bring both tools.
What is that for?
Easy way.
You pushing the door forward? Oh, nice.
Sometimes it doesn't want to go through the door, so you go through the frame.
Like a surgeon.
Well, it's got all the different tools for every car, right?
Mm-hmm.
Easy. Oh, it wants to go top. All right.
Oh, you go for the handle. Oh, that was fast.
I know. Done it for you. I should have been able to go through the door, but
Oh, really?
it was just didn't want to.
Ah.
Play nice. Okay, make sure you get your key before you shut that door.
Oh, okay. Where is
Make up your bill.
Yeah. Where's the key?
It's here.
So they call me so that they take my credit card details or what? How?
No, yeah, he's making up the bill. Then you pay him. Then he leaves. Oh, that was an easy $100. But if you don't have the tools, you don't have the tools.
Oh my god.
That's a tool.
Huh?
If you have tools, it's okay.
Yeah.
You don't have, you see that
Jesus Christ.
no, you saw that's what I was saying yesterday on YouTube. It's the same they do.
What the hell? This guy doesn't
It's
have
the same.
This guy doesn't have a front plate, or I lost it. He's supposed to have one.
Yeah.
Or maybe because there's a snow plow here, he doesn't have one. I don't know. He's supposed to have one, but I don't know if it was there before. That's the thing.
But they're supposed to have it.
Well, because it's BC, right? Yeah.